English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. I would like to ask the finance minister to explain and clarify the position that if a company is entitled to a normal depreciation of rupees 100 and are allowing him rupees 75, what will be the position computing written down value in the next financial year? The fact of the matter is the company will be fully deprived of this 25% in determining the written down value. The depreciation actually allowed is to be taken into account. It normally depreciation of 100% is reduced to find out the return down value, and that will be indirectly further taxation upon the companies, and measures will be a draconian one. Sir, by such measure, increase in the revenue has been sought to be made by those two impositions. Kindly remember that out of the rupees 140 crores, rupees 1500 crores have been sought to be realized from the corporate sector, retarding the growth of the industry. Fiscal measure is not intended only to increase the source of revenue. It must make a balance and make adjustment between the fiscal growth and also economic justice. Nothing has been taken in view in imposing those taxes. We cautioned the earlier government when they introduced the budget that the deficit finance is inbuilt in the fiscal policy. You are taking populist measures. You are taking only measures for vote catching without considering what will be the impact upon the economy as a whole. Take for instance the farm loans. The waiver of farms loan was introduced by the earlier government. We sounded a note of caution, a note of warning that this measure is not intended to redress the grievance of the poor farmer, and the government has already spent rupees 4,000 crore, and if full effect is to be given, at least rupees 7,000 crores are to be spent. Is the present government continuing the policy which has been introduced by the earlier government in waiving the farm loan up to rupees 10,000, and assurance was given before the house by the earlier finance minister that the bank and the cooperative societies which will be financing, they will be reimbursed by the government. Will the finance minister clarify the position whether the bank have been remunerated in respect of the money which they have advanced for waiver of loan? To my information, nothing has been done.